Hi, this is Randy from Charlotte, and I basically wish I would have found this 6 months ago. I started my drone business after I lost my job, and this has been an overwhelming 3 days in a good way. I found it to be extremely informative, very detailed, and really, really considering joining the network. Again, unemployed, kind of hard to finance that and quantify that to the wife, but we'll get that figured out. I think it's been a great 3 days. I love all the people in there. Diego's nuts. He's funny, but really, really knows what he's doing. Damon, again, knows what he's doing. Lots of experience. Mrs. Drone Boss, same thing. Gave me great advice on what to do for some of the things I need to work on, which you don't normally get that on a personal level. So yeah, this has been fantastic. Well worth the money. Um, if you're questioning doing it, do it. You can't lose anything from doing this. It's great information, a wealth of information from people that have been doing this for 30 years. So thank you very much, and it's been a lot of fun.